Hey, have you ever wondered how photo enhancement tools work? Today, we're going to discover the world of image processing. I'll be using Matlab, and we're going to explore how you can make your photos look sharper and clearer using some cool programming tricks. Alright, so we'll begin with our original image of a cat. This is our baseline image, and we'll be applying various filters to see how they affect the photo. So now I'll be printing it out, and this is our original image. Okay, let's just zoom in a bit to understand how this original image is like. So as you can see, the pixels here, they're different shades of gray, right? So let's see now the next filter. The first filter we will be applying is the motion blur filter. So the motion blur stimulates the effect of camera movement, making the image look like it's in motion, as the name suggests. So here, when we create this filter, we apply it to the cat image that I showed earlier, and now the cat is blurred. So I'm going to zoom in to see the difference between that one and this one. As you can see here, it's smoother. Usually in programming here, we refer to the blur effect as smoothing it out. The colors of the pixels are closer to each other, so it makes it smoother compared to that one. So talking technically, the motion blur filter averages each pixel and its neighbors along the direction of motion to give a sense of movement. The next filter is called Unsharp mask filter. Despite its name, the Unsharp mask is used to sharpen images actually, and it enhances the edges and details of an image, which will make it more crisp. So here is how it looks like. Yeah, so it took the original image and it applied the sharpening effect. So if I zoom in, you can see why it looks sharper, because now the colors of gray are very, very different from each other, meaning it makes more highlighting effects. So, or let's say more contrasts now between the grayscale colors. So that's why it gives this effect. So how this filter works is by emphasizing the differences between neighboring pixels, which is why it highlights edges and details better. Finally, let's apply the Sobel filter. This filter is used for edge detection, highlighting areas of high spatial frequency in an image. This is important when we want to apply something like background removal, which I'll be exploring in a different video. So let's run this. As you can see here, so it calculates the gradient of the image intensity, which helps to find edges by highlighting areas where the intensity changes rapidly. Okay, so let's just zoom in for the fun of it. Yeah, yeah, there's nothing to there's nothing to see here, but this will be interesting when we explore how we can remove the image, or I mean how we remove the object from the background. This is a really interesting concept when it comes to image processing. So let's explore that in a different video. For now, let's display all of them next to each other so that we can see the differences. So in order to display all of them in one figure, I'll be using a slightly different code where I'll be plotting them together. So here's the code. We can go through it in another video, but I just wanted to display all of them here together. So as you can see, this is the original image. This is it being blurred. This is it being sharpened, and this is the edge detection. This is really interesting because you can add your own images here and then test them out and see if you can sharpen them, if you can add motion blur without using tools or paying for those tools as well. You can do it for free, you can play around with it, you can ask ChatGPT for the code to enhance your code, you can ask other AI tools to give you the code to enhance your images. There you have it. You have seen how the different filters can enhance and transform an image. I'm doing this to help you understand how these image processing applications work and what really happens behind the scenes when it comes to AI. And you can use these techniques to apply it to your own photos, and you can do it for free. And don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel, because I'll be doing more videos like this where we'll be exploring how to remove images from the background in the next video.